Yes, students, today we will do how to separate a mixture of two miscible liquids. Miscible liquids are those which mixes with each other, and there is a different technique to separate these two miscible liquids. So we are doing with acetone and water. Acetone and water are two miscible liquids and they are separated by simple distillation method. Apparatus required for distillation process is a stand, tripod stand, burner, thermometer, distillating flask, condenser and a receiving flask. Material required are acetone and water, which are two miscible liquids. Now what is the principle behind simple distillation method? Simple distillation is the process of separating components of two miscible liquids that boils without decomposition and have sufficient difference in their boiling points. Boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. And difference in their temperature, difference in their boiling point is more than 25 degrees Celsius. So we apply simple distillation method to separate two miscible liquids. Let's try to separate acetone and water from their mixture. Take the mixture in a distillation flask. This is distillation flask. Fit it with a thermometer, because thermometer will give us the reading at what temperature acetone boils. We know that acetone boils at 56 degrees Celsius and water it start boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. Now heat the mixture slowly with the help of a burner and keep a close look at the thermometer. The acetone vaporizes. They condenses in the condenser and they are collected in receiving flask. So vapors of the acetones which start boiling at 56 degrees Celsius, they reach the condenser, they become cool there, and in the form of liquid, acetone is received in the receiving flask. And we will observe that the thermometer reading, it becomes constant for some time. That is, it will be constant at 56 degrees Celsius, so that the whole acetone which is present in the liquid, it evaporates. The temperature will not increase. It will remain constant. Now, when the whole acetone has evaporated, then water starts boiling, temperature starts increasing. Then what we will do? We will stop heating it. Water will remain in the distillation flask and acetone is collected in this receiving flask. In this method, acetone is and water, they are separated because they have different boiling points. Yes, students, to separate a mixture of two or more miscible liquids for which the difference in boiling points is less than 25 Kelvin, fractional distillation process is done. For example, it is done to separate the different gases from air. As you all know, air is a mixture of so many gases: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, etc. And it is also done to separate the different products from petroleum. Now, what is the difference between simple distillation method and fractional distillation process. In this method, it is very similar to simple distillation, except that it has a fractionating column in addition to the other operators, that is distillation flask and condenser. One fractionating column with glass beads is added extra in this fractional distillation process. A simple fractionating column is a tube packed with glass beads. What is the function of these glass beads? These glass beads, they provide surface for the vapors to cool and condense rapidly. When the vapors condense, they will that liquid is collected in the flask, in this flask. Thank you.